Jesse, your comments on the taco dinner. Any comments? That was the funniest little tag ever. Man. Oh, yeah.
Well, no, you can start out with.
That's cool.
Where are you going?
Yeah, Jesse. You can't hide from the press, Jess.
This is dinner. You want to eat more?
You can't hide. The people have a right to know.
Yeah, I'm going to put it down here for you, okay?
What's up? There ain't nothing going on here. Just tacos.